Permutation of alike objects. That is, if out of n objects, P are alike of one type, Q of other type, and R of third type, and there can be any alike objects, then n factorial upon P factorial, Q factorial, R factorial is permutation of all objects, of n objects, taken all at a time. ये n में से कुछ objects ही लेना है, ये कोई concept ही नहीं है. If they say out of n objects, you have to select some objects, then there is no such concept. Out of n objects, we have to select all objects. There is no concept of out of n, you will select 4 or 5. No. If it is alike, then we are only learning about selection of all objects. Now, we have already done till question number 5. Let us go to the next. Find the number of different arrangement of the letters of the word Maharashtra. How many of these arrangements have letters M and T never together? All vowels are together. Question number 6. We have to arrange all the letters of the word Maharashtra. First, in how many ways we can arrange this? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 letters can be arranged in 11 factorial ways, but A is alike 4 times, so 4 factorial. H 2 times, 2 factorial. R 2 times, 2 factorial. This is how we will arrange them. Now let us talk about the condition. The first condition is letter M and T are never together. Out of this, the first condition is M and T are never together. So except M and T, how many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 letters don't have any issues. They can be arranged in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 ways. 9 letters can be arranged in 9 ways. Yes. Now M and T, they are 2 letters and they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 places. And out of these 10 places, M and T can occupy any 2 places in 10 P2 ways. Whole thing upon 4 factorial because A is alike, 2 factorial, 2 factorial. This is your condition. Next, all vowels are together. The next condition is, now we may not solve this also. Okay, it will become too much to solve if you don't have calculators. The next is all vowels are together. So in the letter Maharashtra, how many vowels are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Only this many are vowels. Now vowels are always together, so all 4 letters are always together. So they should be considered to be 1. Remaining 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Remaining 7 letters. Like this, we have 8 letters. 8 letters can be arranged in 8 factorial. These 4 letters can be arranged among themselves in 4 factorial. Whole thing upon A is alike, H is alike, T is alike. This will get cut. Your answer is 8 factorial upon 2 factorial, 2 factorial. See, all other conditions are same, always together, never together, no two are together, whatever it is. It's all same, you will do it same. Only thing is that because there are alike objects, so you will divide it by the given numbers. Let us go to the next sum. How many different words are formed with the letters if the letter R is used thrice and the letters S and T are used twice each? How many words can be formed if R is used thrice? Question 7. 3 R है, 2 S है, 2 T है. And how many ways you can form a letters by rearranging this? Total letters are 3 and 2, 5 and 2, 7. 7 letters can be arranged in 7 factorial ways. Whole thing. R is using 3 times. So 3 factorial, 2 factorial, 2 factorial. Simple. Find the number of arrangements of letters in the word Mumbai so that the letter B is always next to A. All the letters of the word Mumbai. B is always next to A. It means B and A are always together. So we will consider B and A to be 1. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Like this, we have 5 letters. 5 letters can be arranged in 5 factorial ways. Then they are saying B is always next to A. तो पहले A होगा और फिर B, ये एक ही arrangement होगी. So in between them, they can only be arranged in one way, that is 1 factorial ways. Whole thing upon. This is 2 factorial because M is an alike object here. So it is 120 divided by 2. Your answer is 60. Find the number of arrangement of the letters in the word constitution that begin and end with N. And we have 2 N's. Constitution 1, 2. Let us check the spelling if it's so. Yes. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 letters can be arranged in 12 factorial ways. However, because there are alike objects, like O is same, so 2 factorial. N 2 factorial, T is 3 factorial, I is 2 factorial. These are the total number of arrangements. But they are saying the word should begin with N. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And it should end with N. We have two N's. 2N can occupy two places in 2 factorial ways. Then we have remaining 10 letters that will occupy the middle places in 10 factorial ways. Whole thing upon 2 factorial, N, O is same 2 factorial, T same 3 factorial, and I is alike 2 factorial. This will get cancelled. Your answer is 10 factorial upon 2 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial. This is your answer. We'll not do 10th. 10th is cancelled. Or we'll do it later on after the concept of repetition is okay with you. How many distinct 5-digit numbers can be formed using the digits 323245? Distinct 5-digit number with 323245. 5-digit or 6-digit? So you have to form 5-digit number 323245. That means at a time any 5 digits will be selected out of the 6. So the selected 5 digits can be 3, 3, 2, 4, 5 or 2, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 3, 3, 2, 2. Any one of the 4 or 3, 3, 2, 2, 5. Right? This can be the selection. क्योंकि 6 में से 5 digits select करने हैं. So this can be the selection. If we select in this ways, then how many numbers can be formed from here? It will be 5 factorial upon 2 factorial. Here it is 5 factorial upon 2 factorial. Here it is 5 factorial, 2 factorial, 2 factorial. And it is 5 factorial, 2 factorial, 2 factorial. So this will be 120 by 2, 60. 120 by 2, 60. 120 by 4, this is 30. And this is also 30. So how many numbers? 60, 60, 120, 150, 180. 180 total numbers can be formed. I'll again explain. From the given 6 digits, we have to select 5 digits. From given 6 digits, we have to select 5 digits. So they can be either 2 alike and 3 distinct. For example, 33245 or 22345. So they can form a number, 5-digit number as 5 factorial upon 2 factorial. That is 120 upon 2. And here also same. So I'll multiply this by 2. So I'll get 120. Or we will have 4 alike. 4 alike in the sense 2 alike, and 1 distinct. 2 alike, 2 alike, and 1 distinct number. That will be 33224 or 33225. And the number of digits that number of numbers that they can form is 5 factorial upon 2 factorial 2 factorial. That is 120 upon 4, that is 30. I'll multiply it with 2 because this was also the same case in this case. 60. We'll add this. This is total 120 ways. How many different 6-digit numbers can be formed using the digits in the number 6pi9942? How many of them are divisible by 2? We'll first find out how many are formed. Six pi 9942. How many different 6-digit numbers can be formed? So 6-digit number can occupy 6 places in 6 factorial ways. But 9 is alike, so it will be divided by 2 factorial. 720 by 2, your answer is 360. Now the next question. How many of them are divisible by 2? They will be divisible by 2 if it is an even number. So we have to actually find out how many of them are even. So the number can be even if it is 4, 2 or 6 here. That will be 3p1. 2 digits will remain. That 2 digit and 599, like this 3 digits. 5 digit will occupy 5 places in 5 factorial ways. So it is 5 factorial into 3. Whole thing upon again 9 is alike. So 120 into 3 upon 2. This is 60. 60 into 3, 180 ways. क्योंकि ये डिविजिबल बाय 2 चाहिए, मतलब ये इवन नंबर चाहिए. इवन डिजिट्स इधर आएंगे 4, 2, 6. 3 में से कोई भी एक 3p1 वे में. बची 5 जगह. 5 जगह को भरने के लिए 5 ही लेटर डिजिट्स है आपके पास. इनमें से दो जो बच जाएंगे. And 599, this 3. 3 will occupy 5 places in 5 factorial ways. We will multiply them and then you just divide it by the alike objects. It is simple as we do the basic permutation. 14. Find the number of distinct words formed from the letters in the word Indian. How many of them have the 2 N's together? 2 N's are together. Indian. I think this is the 14th one, right? Sorry, have we forgotten the 12th? This was not 12, this was 13. By mistake, we haven't done the 12th one. So we'll do it after 14th. We have to arrange all the letters of the word Indian. How many of them have 2 N's together? First, in how many ways we can arrange them together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 can be arranged in 6 factorial. But N and I are alike. So it is 2 factorial, 2 factorial. 722 into 2. This will be 180. but in that they want 2n are always together. So n will consider to be 1. Remaining letters is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Like this, these are five letters. 5 letters can be arranged in 5 factorial ways. And 2n can be arranged in 2 factorial ways. Upon alike objects, 2 factorial, 2 factorial. It is 120 upon 2, that is 60 ways. कॉम्प्लिकेट नहीं करना है, जो चाहिए वो पहले कंडीशन डाल देंगे हम लोग, and then we'll divide by the alike objects. Now let us do the 12th one. Find the number of distinct numbers formed by using 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 so that odd position are occupied by odd digits. It's not specified in the 12th one that how many digit number we should form. So we'll consider that if these are 7 digits, then 7 digit numbers we are forming. So we have to form the 7 digit number from 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 6 is not there, I guess. It's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 digits. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And odd digits should occupy odd places. How many odd digits? 1, 2, 3, 4. And how odd places? 1, 2, 3, 4. Odd digits will occupy odd places, 4 odd digits, 4 odd places in 4 factorial ways. 3 even digits and 3 even places, 3 factorial ways. This is 24 into 6. Your answer is 144. And the last one, 15th. Find the number of different ways of arranging the letters in the word platoon if the 2 O's are never together, the consonants and vowel occupy alternate places. The last sum, if to arrange all the letters of the word platoon, 2 O's are never together. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 letters can be arranged in 7 factorial ways. Out of them, O is alike, so it will be divided by 2 factorial. It's 5040 divided by 2. It's 5040 divided by 2. It's 2520, total number of arrangements. Okay. Now the first case is 2 O's are never together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Actually, it's a 7 letter word. But 2 O's, if I take out 2 O's, then it is a 5 letter word. Now they are never together. So remaining 5 letters can be arranged in how many ways? 5 factorial ways. If 2 O's are never together, they can occupy 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Any two of the 6 places in 6p2 ways. So it is 5 factorial into 5 into 6 into 5. 6p2 is 6 into 5. Whole thing upon, because O is alike, it will be divided by 2 factorial. So 120 into 30 upon 2. 120 into 15. 1800. See, 2 O are never together, so बाकी के लेटर तो अरेंज हो जाएंगे 5 फैक्टोरियल में. 2 O के लिए आपके पास 6 जगह है, 6 में से कोई भी 2 जगह पे 2 O बैठ जाएंगे. 5 फैक्टोरियल into 6p2, whole thing upon 2 factorial. So 1800 is your answer. Then the last case in that, consonants and vowel occupy alternate position. In platoon, consonants are P, L, T, N, and vowel is A, O, O. And in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, consonants and vowel to occupy alternate places. So it should be consonant, vowel, consonant, vowel, consonant, vowel, consonant. I cannot have vowel, consonant because they won't be alternate in that case. क्योंकि consonant ज़्यादा है. अगर मैंने vowel consonant बोला तो यहाँ पे भी consonant होगा और ये alternate नहीं होगा. तो ये केस तो कर ही नहीं सकते हम लोग यही कर सकते हैं. तो 3 जगह पे 3 वॉवल बैठेंगे, 3 फैक्टोरियल वेज में, और 4 जगह पे 4 कंसोनेंट 4 फैक्टोरियल वेज में. और क्योंकि ओ अलाइक है तो इट विल बी डिवाइडेड. सो इट इज 6 into 24 divided by 2. 72 is the answer. Total 72 ways.